Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on maintenance of electrical equipment, unit number 6, that is the installation. So first MCQs is the main aim of the blank is to check that the machine received is in good condition and are as per our requirement. So the correct answer is option A, that is inspection. Means the main aim of the inspection is to check that the machine received is in good condition and are as per our requirements. So the next is inspection is all about creating a proper foundation, overall observation, testing equipment or installation planning. So the correct answer is option B, that is the overall observation. Super efficient means inspection is all about overall observation. And what is included in the inspection process? So the to check received machine is as per requirement, to check received machine is in good condition, to check received machine auxiliaries part etc are okay or not. So all of the options are correct, means all are included in the inspection process. Then the next is after the inspection at the site you found everything is in good condition. What is the reason behind that? So, the reasons are proper care is taken by the manufacturer, proper packages, good transportation, and all of this. So, the correct answer is all of this. Means after inspection at the site, you found everything is good condition. The reasons are proper care, proper package, and proper transportation. Fifth is maximum damage to the machinery happened during. So the correct answer is transportation. Means maximum damage to the machine happened during the transportation. Next is which of the following precautions must be observed during handling? Use hook, don't use shaft or the body part. Second is don't let the machine keep in balance. Don't drag the machine or roll it on the floor. So the all three options are correct. These MCQs are very important for your exam. So listen carefully. Eighth is which of the following are the primary objectives during packing of machine? So the packing must be checked thoroughly. Following the instruments on the packages returned by the seller factory, report any damage immediately to the seller factory for the claim. All of these options are correct. Means all are the primary objectives during a packing of machines. Ninth is what will you do if you found a damaged machine during inspection? So the correct answer is option B, that is the report any damage immediately to the seller factory for the claim. Means what will you do if you found a damaged machine during inspection? So the correct is report any damage immediately to the seller factory or the claim. Means report कर देनी चाहिए immediately. Next is which of the following required during unpacking and inspection? So the machine specification with parts details and diagram, the planning and availability of handling tools, skilled worker of handling, all of these options are correct. Means all the required during unpacking and inspection. Next is at which stage inspection is carried out? Before unpacking, after unpacking, before and after unpacking, after the time of installation. So the correct answer is before and after unpacking. Means inspection is carried out before and after unpacking. Next is in which of the following condition required for the storage of electrical equipment? The machine not required immediately, the foundation of the machine is not ready, the machine full assembly not arrived. All these options are correct. Means all the conditions required for the storage of electrical equipment. Then the next is which of the right place to store electrical machines? Area and moisture free, not damp environment, clean and visible are, spacious to put or to lift. All these options are correct. Means the right places to store electrical machines are all options. 14 is which of the following should be avoided during storage of electrical machines? So the temperature not lower than 15 degrees Celsius and higher than 55 degrees Celsius. Second is mud floor. Third is large ventilation. These three options are correct. Means should be avoided during storage of electrical machines are temperature, mud floor and large ventilation. 15th is following are the blank condition for the storage of electrical equipment if it's blank in storage area: direct sunlight, rainwater, gases, dust and smoke. So the correct answer is option A, that is following are the ideal conditions for the storage of electrical equipment if it's not entering in storage area: direct sunlight, rainwater, gases, dust and smoke. So the correct answer is option A. 16th is we should avoid storage of electrical equipment where: gas cylinder, explosive material and chemical, batteries, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of these. 17th is we should not be entered in the storage area because unauthorized person cat means we should not be entered in the who should not be entered in the storage area. So unauthorized person cat, rat, dog, etc. Option C is correct answer. Next is what we need to do if vibrations receive from the nearby surrounding. So option A is correct answer, that is the rubber blocks. What we need to do if vibration receives from the nearby surroundings, so correct answer is option A, rubber blocks. Next is if the storage place is damp, then provide proper blank in the room: cooler, heater, silica gel, rubber blocks. So the correct answer is option B, that is the heaters. If the storage place is damp, then provide proper heater in the room. Next is which of the following activities justify this good storage system? Option A is provide sufficient distance between the machine for proper handling. B is avoid keeping the machine idle for a long period and checked periodically by a responsible person on duty. The proper register must be maintained for machine in and machine out and balance machine record. So the correct answer is option D, that is all options are correct. Means which of the following activities justify the good storage system? So all these activities justify the good storage system. So in the next lecture we see the some MCQs of this unit. Today, thank you. Uh, if its video is useful for it, so please like this video and subscribe the channel.